Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can download NTE game in our Steam. So first of all, if you would like to download Neverness to Everness, what you have to do is come below at the search bar and type in Steam. Go ahead and launch your Steam application. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific Steam account. Now in here, on the top page, you will see search the store. Go ahead and click onto it and type in NTE or maybe Neverness to Everness. So if NTE is not showing, you may go ahead type in Neverness to Everness and then you will be able to see it right here. The NTE game looks like this. Go ahead and click onto it. Now scroll below. It says the game is not yet available on Steam. The release date is July 2026. Currently it's May. There's only like couple days till July 2026. So you may go ahead add this to your wish list. If you add this to your wish list, if the game is available or once the game is available, you will get notified. And likewise, if you get notified, you may go ahead, come to the same page and download NTE game. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.